Sweet, I'm Gav and I'm from Sweet Design, and this week's video is it's sort of a bit of a different one because this is a challenge video, which is a YouTuber which I watch who got me started in doing YouTube. He's put out a challenge out there that you got to make a ball without using a lathe, but I'll drop his channel. I'll put his link down this page. So yeah, so this is my contribution to the ball without a lathe challenge. I've made it out of plastic bottles and bottle caps which my daughter collected for me. With the news about plastics in the sea and stuff, so I thought it'd be quite good to use plastics what's ended up, or plastics what usually end up in the sea and stuff, so I thought I'd use that to say that everything can be reused. So I melted it down in an oven. Please do not do this in your own house. I did this at a friend's unit where it's a bit safer. So I melted it down, then I formed it into a colander, a metal colander I got. So I formed it into a bowl. Then I cut more bottle caps up, melted into where there's holes and stuff. Obviously this bowl's not going to hold liquid, but I thought it's perfectly good, and I thought I'd form it into a bowl to hold my lemon and limes. I mount it onto a cutting board, so you can cut your lemon and limes for your little G&T or a soft drink at end of the day. So yeah, so I've done that. So so I cut the bottle caps up, melted them to the top. Then the board, I wanted something a little bit different, so the bottom of the bowl I've melted a bottleneck. Then I've mounted a plastic cap into the wood, so you can screw the ball on and off. That's the only way I could think about fixing it, something a little bit different. Painted the edge of the wood because I didn't just want the wood, I just thought I'd put, a bit of a zing, so I've painted that lime green. Then there was a big knot in it with a big hole in the wood, so I got some epoxy resin, 2-pack epoxy. I think it only come from a quid shop, and I got some glitter, some green glitter, just to give it that. And I've never tried this before, so I thought I'd give it a go and see, and it's turned out spot on, and it's got that little bit of a freckle of glitter in it and all that. And it's 3 different ways of doing stuff now. I've, like I say, with plastic, melting plastic, I've used that now. Spraying of just natural wood with a bit of a zingy colour. I've tried mounting a bottle cap into wood. And like I say, using the epoxy and using glitter to fill the hole. So it's something I think's turned out pretty well. So yeah, so I'll drop the links to the YouTuber, which is Keith Brown. I'll drop a link down below for him. Other than that, on his page there should be loads and loads of these balls. They're all getting put onto the internet at the same time. And like I say, if you go down, you can see other people's other channels, and hopefully I'll find some channels there which I like myself and subscribe to them as well. So yeah, so all I can say is keep it sweet. Please share, please comment, please like, please dislike. I'm getting a reaction. Comments, I do comment. I try and answer every comment. I try and get a video up every week. I'm only new to this, but I'm still having fun. But yeah, go out there and make something pretty sweet. Cheers, bye.